Hello, hello,
Yeah,
hello, Tashin. You know very well.
yeah. I'm hearing.
Okay, you know very well. We already completed our 90% part of
What?
user management.
Yeah.
Okay, so today we are going to start the permission management part in.
Hey, that what is the process if I run command user mode dash c dash
Yeah,
d?
so yeah,
How can I run all the options at a time?
uh, you have to put option in only one line. Like I am showing, you have to.
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah.
I make a option with this machine. I start this machine and use the options. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
So my machine is starting. So machine is turned on right now. I'm going to log in 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is my terminal.
Yeah.
Okay, I am adding a user. User
Shana.
add
Mm-hmm.
Aman one. I'm adding user Aman one and use
Mm-hmm.
all option at a time. Okay. So I'm adding user. User add Aman is added and I give the password for Aman.
Yeah.
SWC Aman one. I set password for 1 2 3 4 3 4.
Mm.
Password is created. I use all option at a
Yeah.
time.
User mode.
User mode hyphen
Yeah.
C colon C for comment
Mm-hmm.
hyphen C. I need to give me a minute. So I use uh, hyphen C for comment.
Mm.
Let me in my machine. Hyphen C for comment. Like I am adding as a IT person, as a HR person,
Mm.
HR, and I'm giving the default directory hyphen D
Mm.
small d. Aman 1, and also I am giving the um, login shell with hyphen s.
Hmm. Ah, okay, okay, okay.
Has been,
No login.
yes, has been no no login, and also I set UID for 1212 and the username is Aman1
Hmm.
and hit enter. So everything is set. You can check with grep Aman1 and the file location is etc passwd.
etc. Pass WD.
Yes. So
Hmm.
everything is set
Hmm.
only within one
Nice.
command.
Okay, 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 okay.
Okay. So
Yeah, yeah.
so today we are going to start the permission management.
Hmm.
Okay. So in this session, we see how can we assign, read, write, and execute permission on that, and
Hmm.
also see the what is the attribute for read and attribute for write and the numeric value of these keys. How can
Hmm.
we assign and on a directory or a file? What is the difference
Hmm.
between if a normal user creates some file, if a super user create file, and what is the default permission on
Hmm.
that. So we will see in this. So I logged in as a root and I open another terminal. This is the root terminal, and I'm open a terminal with a normal user. So I change the user sudo such user for Akshay. Okay, and this is the normal user, and sorry, this is the root user, and this is the super user. So let's come to paint for doing some. I open paint. So we have some attribute. I filled here. I write here. uh, Attribute and the numeric value,
Hmm.
and also
Man, your voice is little bit need to be loud.
okay, okay,
Yeah.
that's fine.
Yeah, yeah. It's okay now.
Okay, okay. So attribute R for read, small r, small r for read, and the numeric value is 4, and W for write, and the numeric value is 2, and read write and X for execute. X for execute, it means execute any file or any directory. 1, if any folder with only the read, so you can list and execute the ls command, because if my manager said to me please give the read permission on that folder, so we have to include automatically execute in this folder. So user can uh, read and execute also cd and ls do with the command, so we can see in practical. So if we don't assign the execute permission for any folder, so we cannot do the cd. We cannot the change directory in this folder. We cannot do the ls command also for the. Let's check in the practical. uh, you have to add x from your side every time. If you give only the read permission, then user unable to do ls command, and if you give only the write permission, user unable to do the cd command. So you can see the folder permission with ls-ld command. Let's check. So let's in this I make a folder with this mkdir mkdir. I make a folder with the name atar. I make a folder with atar. Let's check the permission ls-ld. So there is 11 attribute for that, total 11 attribute. If there is a there is a folder, so it shows d for directory, because we make a directory with the name atar, and there is 11 attribute. First for the first three for the owner, second three for the other, and last three, sorry, first three for the owner, and second three for the group owner, and last three for the other. And dot shows you the dot show the ACL is enabled or not. If there is dot, there that means ACL is not enabled. If you show uh, if there is showing the plus sign, then the ACL is enabled on that directory. So there is dot, that means no ACL is enabled on that directory. So I write here, I copy this, and Let's come into the paint, and I'm writing here the all 11 attributes. First is D, RWX, and this is the default permission for the folder if any root user create in Linux machine. So this is the default, and it shows D for the directory. D for the directory, and R for read, W for write, X for execute. It's mean the total numeric value of this column, these three, and these three, and these three. So the total number of numeric value is, I'm writing here, like R means 4, W means 2, and X means 1. We add total number value of 7, and for this R means 4 and X means 1, the total numeric value of this 5, and the total number of value for other it's 5. So we can say the directory permission is 755 755 for root. If default, if any folder create, 755 is default permission for the folder. And if a normal user create, let's see what happen. Mk. So normal user cannot create a directory in the root. So we need to go cd home Akshay, and here I am creating a directory ATER created ls hyphen d. Let's check the default permission. So this is the default permission for if any normal user create a directory. So let's write in this paint. So this is for root, and we write here for normal user. If normal user make a directory rwx and 1 2 3 4 5 6 3 4 5 6 and dot user. So what is the permission? Hello, hello.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so what will be the numeric value for this?
For normal user,
Yeah, for normal user.
normal user get just read permission, right? Read and execute permission, right?
uh,
Six.
no, 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 6
No,
means
five. Five. Sorry, five. Five.
7. This is the
Okay.
full column, na? Read, write, and execute. So 4
Okay.
2
Okay.
1
Okay.
7. 700.
700. Oh, okay, okay.
If root user create any folder, then by default permission is 755. In normal user create any directory in that home
Mm,
folder, so 700 is a
mm,
default permission for that.
mm.
So I mention all the 11 field here. So you know very well this is the directory, and this is for
Yeah,
the group owner.
yeah.
Owner की permission, and this is for the group owner, and this is for other. Last for other.
Mm.
Other means
Okay.
other user.
Other user.
For
Okay.
other user. If any root user make a file, then what will be the
Mm,
default permission on that? Let's see.
mm,
I'm creating here a file like touch
mm,
touch war. I make a file with war. Let's check the permission ls hyphen ld. Sorry, I need to check double l. So there is a default permission
mm.
for file.
Wait. Mm.
Then
Root. Okay. Mm,
okay, I make another file with normal user.
mm,
Let's check the difference. So this is for the normal user, and
mm,
this is for the root user. If any root user make a file,
mm.
permission will assign to the file. And
Wait, man.
yes,
Uh, uh, when you give LL, then it's showing two lines, right?
yes,
First one is for root owner, right?
yes,
And second line is for group.
yeah,
Okay. Actually, my question is that
yes.
uh, what is showing in first line and second line?
No, no, we make a we make a file folder. We make a directory
Mm-hmm.
with the name ATAR, and second
Uh,
we make a file with WAR.
oh,
Okay,
okay.
so uh,
Oh,
these two is
okay.
for folders and files.
Mm.
Okay,
Folder and file.
yeah,
Okay.
folder and
Mm,
file, and this is the details of folder and file. Uh, at
mm.
what time we created, and the root user and the group
Oh,
owner and the
oh,
file
okay.
size, and this is for the uh, value for folder and file whenever. And this is for the size.
Mm. Okay, for file there is no execute permission, right?
Yeah, there is no execute permission, but you
Only
know
read and write for
only
file.
read and write. But you know very well, root user is a super user. Root can do anything without the permission.
Yeah.
Okay, so this has
Yeah.
and shows you are a super user. You can do anything with that file. Okay, if if I'm checking, if I'm check here like I'm going to execute this file and uh, uh, list this directory with normal user. Let's check what happened. I'm switch the user. Akshay, ls and cdatar ls. So you know very well, x can execute everyone. That means everyone do cd and the ls with this folder. And if I'm making a file with here touch a1, I am unable to do that because I am a normal user. I don't have permission of write. I don't have permission for write. So it shows the permission denied. If I give only the read permission, then he is unable to do the ls command. I'm giving the come into that folder sudo. So I make a default for user 234. Akshay is not in the sudo file, so that's why we need to create one more. I can log out, exit. Exit and do ls. I'm going to assign the permission for Akshay user. Chmod, you can assign with the permission chmod. Who is calling? Nothing. Chmod o for other, o means other, and minus r. It shows the r for right. If I uh, take the permission with I minus for remove, o minus r, that means I remove the other read permission. If I insert it plus, then it means I assign or read or write permission for that.
Hmm.
Okay, so I remove the
Hmm.
permission for execute for other. Let's check
Hmm.
once. uh, Atar folder have the execute permission for other, so I remove it. Chmod o minus x atar.
Hmm.
I remove the execute permission. You can
Hmm.
see.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah,
Also I remove the.
understood.
Okay. So let's check.
Hmm.
Cd home ls. Let's come into the root home directory. Permission denied. So let's switch with. Uh, I remove the permission for other. User unable to do the ls or the cd in that folder.
Hmm.
Root slash desktop. Cd permission is denied. So I go with that. Cd double dot pwd. I am on root folder. Let's check with Akshay command. cd desktop. cd desktop change. I am going to change the user sudo akshay and let's check cd ls. There is no file and folder. So where is the etar file? No such file or directory. Let's check once. I make a file with there is file is located but command is not working with normal user. su akshay ls cd atar. So you see, Tasin, you see, I remove the read and write and execute permission for the other user. I am unable to
Yeah,
do
yeah,
the CD. I am unable to do
yeah.
the CD and also I only enable. I also able to do the ls command. I do only
Mm.
the ls, but I am unable to go in
Execute. Yeah,
CD.
yeah.
Permission denied. I assigned a permission on that
Mm.
ch mode
Mm.
o plus. I
O
assigned
dash.
I assign only the only the
Mm.
execute permission. O
Mm.
plus X
Mm.
and ATAR.
Mm.
Okay, so let's check it's working or not. CD ATAR. I'm going to the ATAR.
Mm.
Okay, so let's check with the var file.
Mm.
If I'm writing any in var file,
Mm.
cat var, there is nothing in. I'm right. Vim vim file name is var. New file. So let's check the var file permission. Anyone can
Mm.
read. Anyone can read. Okay. So let's
Mm.
check. So I saved this file. Let's see. Cannot open file for writing. It's give me
Mm.
error. Okay. But I saw the content of the file with cat command because I have
Mm.
read permission only.
Mm.
I have read permission. If I remove the read permission, let's check chmod o minus
Mm.
r var file and let's check q ls cd
Mm.
ls cat war. So permission denied. It
Mm.
shows the permission denied. I am unable to read the file
Mm.
and
Mm.
also if I assign the permission chmod o plus r war. Let's check invalid. Sorry, press 0.
Zero, yeah.
that var. So there is no data in this file. Let's try to insert. I give that permission. If I replace permission for that user, so I write o equal to read write execute.
Okay, okay, okay.
O equal to read write and execute. I replace the all permission for that. That
Mm-hmm.
means other user can read write and execute, do the all things with that file.
Mm-hmm.
So let's check. I'm able to read, and also I read that file. So uh, if i s- uh, if I run this command, it's set for the other. If I only set for Akshay, if I only set for Akshay read write and execute permission for only for Akshay, then what we need to do you have any idea? If I make a file, like
Mm-hmm.
I have four user, one is Akshay, Tasin, and two or others people in that company. So if I want to
Mm-hmm.
give only the read write and execute permission to you, so should I need to run this command or not? Because this
Yeah.
command, no, because this command works for others. Everyone can read
Oh,
write
okay, 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 okay.
and execute. I assigned only to a, particular person.
Okay, okay. That is user colon Tasin, right? You can write the give that
User colon?
Tasin.
No. The simple way is that you have to add in that group.
Oh, okay, 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 okay.
If
Oh, okay, okay,
if
okay.
if I trust only on the Tasin can
Mm,
edit and read and execute my all files.
mm,
So
mm.
I add Tasin into my root group.
Oh, okay,
Okay,
okay, okay, okay.
okay. So let's add into the root group. So permission for adding into the root group, user mode hyphen
Mm,
capital G, and the root name, group name, group name is
mm-hmm.
root, and the
Root.
username is aman1. I'm adding
Okay.
aman1 as a, I'm adding aman1
Root
in the
group.
root group.
Mm.
Okay, let's check. Aman can do that or not. Sudo suman 1 password 1234. This account is currently not available. Why?
Mm.
Let's check.
You
And
said you create Aman only, I think,
uh,
not Aman one.
let's check. Aman does not exist.
Oh.
Cd home. Uh, cd home. ls. Aman1 is created. Let's check the Aman configuration file. Cd.
Oh, it's been no login. That's why. Mm.
Let's check. This is also a troubleshooting part.
Mm. etc pass wd.
etc passwd. So there is Aman home directory and it's set for the no login.
Mm.
I set for Aman user mode hyphen s
Mode
and set
bin
winbash
bash. Mm.
Aman1 permission denied. I need to add sudo. It's not working again. I copy this command and make as a super user, copy and run this command to the sudo. So it's working. Let's check. Aman can list that file or not. CD, root, desktop, permission denied. Akshay don't have permission. Aman Aman 1. Password for Aman 1234. Now I'm in
mm,
home directory ls. So this
mm,
is the root and desktop. So I am able to do anything. Any if any text shows in green,
mm.
means it have
File.
the uh, 7 permission. Anyone can read, write,
Oh,
and execute.
okay, 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 okay.
Okay. If
Mm,
I set ch mode uh, o equal to o equal rwx and atar. I'm set
mm,
777 permission for the atar. Anyone can read, write,
uh,
and execute. So
mm,
not permitted. Sudo. I need to add sudo. 1234. Aman is not in the sudo files because I add only for the files. I
mm.
give only the
So,
permission for the this
Basudo.
folder. Yeah. So let's check. I set permission only for the var folder. I am not set permission for the atar folder. I need to set here
Yeah.
chmod o equal to rwx and the folder name is atar. Let's check, and let's check the color of the folder ls. So it shows the full green. Hello.
Mm, mm, mm,
It shows the full green and for also file
mm,
with the green label. So that means
mm,
file have full read, write, and execute permission. Anyone can read, write, and execute it.
mm,
If I remove that permission, so then Aman cannot do anything on that folder. Chmod o equal o minus rwx for other, and file name is var. So let's check the color. Color is white. Give me a minute. I have a call.
mm. Okay, okay.